In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram unable to load image from gallery problem. And before I show you how you guys can fix this problem, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First thing first, make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes due to slow internet, like your photo doesn't load. So if your internet is fast and you're still facing this problem, then you need to do the next step. The next step is just update your Instagram. For that, you need to go on your app store. At the bottom, click on search, and at the top bar you want to search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, if it says open, that means it's up to date. But if it says update instead of open, you want to click on update to update your Instagram. But my Instagram is up to date. Even if your Instagram is up to date and you're still facing the problem, it could be that your phone has not provided Instagram the access or the permission to use your gallery. To do that, go on settings of your phone, and inside settings, try to find Instagram. Scroll down until you find Instagram. You should find Instagram. So my Instagram is right over here. Click on it, and at the top where it says photos, you want to go on photos and make sure it's on all photos. If it's on none, then that's the main reason why you're not able to load your pictures on Instagram. So make sure it's on all photos. Once it's done, open Instagram. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just delete your Instagram app, reinstall your Instagram app, and after you reinstall your Instagram app, as I just showed you, go on settings, find Instagram, go on image, and click on all photos, and after you do that, it should be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix unable to load image from gallery on your Instagram problem. It's due to you not providing the permission most of the time, and the second is due to lack of update. Third is due to slow internet. So if you have followed all the steps I showed you, your problem should be fixed. So thanks for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button to our channel app tutorial, and bye bye.